Alright, hi you guys. I know it's kind of weird to be doing a live stream into the houseplant group, but we have been introduced to a project here in Grand Prairie into somebody's conservatory, and we're going to be helping restock. He's going to tear the whole thing apart and restock, and we've been invited to give him a hand in regards to refilling it and planning and structuring the project. And I can't be here and not share it with you guys. So I'm going to be putting some YouTube videos up on my YouTube channel, Braeheid Gardens, kind of showing the project and as it progresses. But I want to show you guys. Check this out. Hey Andrea. So we got a big rubber tree here. We got a huge ficus coming all the way up, and this looks like a maybe like an elephant foot or a yucca of some sort. We got some banana. This here was a birds of paradise, and it even has remnants of the old flower. And unfortunately, like, there's a little bit of a bug problem, and by a little bit I mean pretty serious.
But if you're not afraid to work.
So pretty serious bug problem, but it's all getting gutted. The soil's coming out. We're bleaching the floors. We're gonna be replanting this whole thing. But you guys, it's wild in here. He's already torn out this whole bed. He tore out the whole bed. Hey Jen, he tore this whole bed out before he thought to call. And so it had like philodendron celomes, it had a pothos that was climbing through all of the soil. And so anyway, he's torn that all out. We're going to fill this with plants as well. And look at the size of this cathedral cactus. And then we're going to do a succulent garden over here. So I thought that I would just show you because it's kind of a unique conservatory. Kind of worth taking a look at. And then some potted stuff over here. This is this looks like a ficus ali. So a ficus ali. We got a weeping fig here. And some Boston ferns, and a trellis that you might have to sneak a Swiss cheese vine onto that thing, because a Swiss cheese vine back here would probably be just perfect. But apparently a couple of years back, in the back, there was a whole bunch of birds back here in that. Is it called an aviary? Is that what you'd call that? So there's an aviary back here, and they had hundreds of birds. And that project has since been put to bed, but this is the next one. Anyway, I just thought you guys would probably want to see, so we'll see you guys.